Hey there, everybody. In this episode, we're going to talk about these really cool robots, that VEX robots that use EXP and just some quick troubleshooting things. This assignment goes with 2.1.2. So, first of all, after you get all the code done, there is a nice if-else statement built into here. So the first path we wanted to go forward, left, forward, right, forward. I'm adding an all done and even a sound that the directions don't add, a little pizzazz to it. My code is probably slightly different than yours because my students have to drive from one carpet square forward to the next carpet square, and we have figured out mathematically that that equals 1,000 degrees going from the center of one carpet square to the next. And then on our carpet, doing a 200-degree turn with one motor and the other motor. Another additional thing I have my students do is, so since there are two motors on here, we've loaded motor 1 and motor 5, that we label, I keep my left motor over here with motor 1 and my right motor with motor 5 on the right side, just kind of because I'm a visual learner. But also, whenever it says forward, I put a 1, or a right, I put a 1, or even a left, I put a 1, so that we know which motor that is running. And vice versa over here, when we have working with motor 5, we put a 5 at the end of it. Okay, so after we got the code all done, we're going to run it as a true statement. If you have it plugged into your computer and your brain should turn green up here in the top. If it doesn't, hit the down arrow, click connect, hit continue, and nothing pops up. Oh, make sure that your robot is turned on. That's helpful. And then hit connect. Now the brain turns on. You can hit the download button. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is you need to pick a slot up here. So I just go with 1, then I hit the download button. So you can run the program two different ways. One way you can do it is just to hit this run button right up here on the top right, and it'll run. Or you can hit the checkbox on the top right here, and it does it. So as you can see, it says forward 1, forward 5, left 1, left 5, and then it kind of keeps on going down. It plays the ta-da song, and you're like, wait a second, it should be running. Well, those of you who are wondering why aren't the wheels spinning, and some of you are like, oh, I know why the wheels aren't spinning. It's because of this if-else statement, right? If it is true, then it's running through all of the purple code, which is printing. If we want it to do the else statement, we're going to drop it down to the false. Else, it will spin the motor 1, spin motor 5. Now, whenever it's broadcasting a forward, it's doing this command and this command. And right is doing this command and this command, both off of those. So I need to switch that to false, hit the download button one more time. Since it is going to now drive, I want to unplug it and take it off the table and put it on the ground. Please do not drive these off the table. And when I press the checkbox, it starts spinning. It will rotate on the ground. It'll get to those. And that is about a 12-second code as it says it on the top. And it's all done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.